Drainvac's ProXtrak is a portable central vacuum cleaner specially designed to vacuum liquids without emptying the tank. The unit can be placed on a toilet bowl, over a drain, or simply outdoors. The porthole allows you to see the unit in operation and to easily access the interior to clean it if necessary. The membrane is used to switch the unit on or off. Whether for residential or commercial application, the ProXtrak is ideal for cleaning and disinfecting your carpets and your hard surface floors. For cleaning, we suggest to use a wand with a sprayer, a carpet tool, and a water hose. You can use a regular floor hose or the vac reel, our patent hose reel that frees up your workspace. First, position the unit where you want it, in this case on a toilet bowl. Then plug the power cord into an electrical outlet and connect your hose to the front of the unit. If your unit has 2 electrical ports, each cord must be plugged into a separate electrical outlet, and each outlet must be connected to a separate circuit breaker in your electrical panel. Start by connecting the water hose to the wand and to a water inlet, preferably the kitchen faucet to have hot water. But if your hose can't be screwed onto your kitchen faucet, an outdoor or a garage faucet will do. Then, turn on the water and start the unit from the membrane. At this moment, the ProXtrak's valve closes and water enters the device. You can spray a solution of soapy water onto your floor. Then, by keeping the wand lifted, spray a good amount of water. You can then set down the tool to vacuum it all. If you have a large area to cover, you can add a hose extension as you move away from the unit. If at some point you stop the device via the switch, the vacuum will be cut off. The water will stop entering the device, the valve will open, and the ProXtrak will begin to drain. As soon as it's switched back on, the unit will be operational, even if there's still water inside. However, if the vacuum has been running for a while, the water in the unit will eventually touch the electrodes, thus sending a signal to the motor to stop, allowing the water to drain. At this time, the device will stop according to the time programmed on the membrane. The device will then restart by itself and you can continue your maintenance. Once you have finished cleaning, turn off the tap and spray the remaining water left in the hose. Then finish vacuuming the residual water. When finished, we recommend vacuuming clean water to clean the hose. Afterwards, you can leave the hose in the open air, leaving the device running for 5 minutes to dry out the hose.